Someone once tried to sit on a plant and didn't fall in. Not on a bench, not on a boat, a plant, a floating green photosynthesizing leaf that looked like a giant salad bowl designed by Mother Nature after binge-watching reality TV. And here's the wild part, the plant didn't break. It just kept floating like, yeah, I do this all the time. This isn't a fairy tale, it's real, it's called the Amazon lily. And trust me, this isn't your grandma's backyard pond plant. This beast of a water lily is large enough to support the weight of a toddler, and strong enough to make even a gym bro blink twice. Keep watching, because this isn't just about a big flower, this is about a floating legend with secret powers, ecosystem clout, and a blooming attitude that says, bow before your leafy overlord. Let's break this down. The Amazon lily, known officially as Victoria amazonica, isn't here to play. First of all, the thing looks like it was designed by an engineer, not a botanist. It can grow up to 10 feet across, which is basically the same size as a king-sized mattress or, a really aggressive pizza. It floats on the surface of shallow lakes and ponds like it owns the place, and technically it kinda does. How? Well, for starters, it has these ribbed undersides that give it incredible strength. Imagine the underside of the leaf like nature's version of steel beams, minus the skyscraper and existential dread. These ribs distribute weight so evenly, a leaf can support up to 65 pounds. That's roughly the size of a 6-year-old child or, if we're being honest, one enthusiastic cat who refuses to diet. And no, it doesn't just float and look pretty, it has attitude, spikes, literally. The underside of the Amazon lily is covered in sharp thorns, not because it's edgy, but to keep away fish and animals who might try to snack on it. You ever seen a plant with self-defense? This one's like, touch me and get pricked. Now let's talk about its role in the ecosystem. Because yeah, while it's holding up toddlers for Instagram clout, it's also doing serious environmental heavy lifting. These massive leaves provide shelter for fish and frogs. Their wide coverage gives shade that reduces algae growth and keeps water temperature stable. It's like a floating AC unit with bonus aesthetic value. Also, they provide egg-laying grounds for amphibians. Basically, it's the Airbnb of the wetland world. 5-star rating from frogs. Highly recommended. And that flower, it's got drama. Pure botanical soap opera. The Amazon lily blooms for just 2 nights, that's it. The first night, the flower opens as white and female, then it closes. The next night, it reopens. But now it's pink and male. Yeah, it changes gender overnight. Like, surprise. New identity, who dis? This gender-switching move is a pollination strategy. On night 1, it lures in beetles with its gorgeous white petals and strong pineapple-like scent. The beetles crawl in, do their thing, and get stuck overnight when the flower closes. Total botanical trap. The next night, the flower opens again, now pink and male, and dusts those beetles with pollen before sending them on their way to